Black Rose! Black Rose! Please!
I hear red today.
No! Black Rose!
Black Roses. Yo, you know the chorus to Black Roses? It's like E flat. I think.
Definitely not.
It's the making of the song.
Yeah.
Freestyle!
Yeah, let's make up a song now. Oh, see how black roses. We're so glad to be here today. Let's do shift. Actually, you gotta sound check.
That was cute.
I think I need you. I think I need you now. I think I froze you. But it's so clear, so bad, so good. Oh yeah, I would die to call you my friend. When you are How are you guys?
Good. Now that you're here.
I'm very excited
Great.
today, actually.
We're
Ooh.
excited too.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
First time to the Roses concert. Oh, wow.
Really?
Newcomer, huh?
What were you doing? Why did you come now? This wine stains keep
No, I think we should play live.
Lifeline? I don't think so.
Yeah, maybe.
I just go.
You know what? It doesn't matter because I need to sound check.
You're the boss.
You don't gotta say all the bad things. Pick anywhere you like. I could be your lifeline. You don't gotta, baby. You're the worst. I will let you down. If it's better than you, I will let you down. Be a lifeline. Could be a lifeline. I know what it's like being hopeless. She's on your mind, it's broken. There's a better life on the other side. So pick anywhere you like. Second of a city life. Yeah, we just wanna go and cry. Not even gonna change my mind. Oh, sing it out. I could be a lifeline. You know. You gotta, baby, go on. I will let you down. If it's better than your home, I will let you down. So yeah. I could be a lifeline. Could be a lifeline. I could be a lifeline. I could be a lifeline. I could be a lifeline. Me. I wanna hear you guys' voices. I could be a lifeline. You guys got that one?
Yeah.
What else do you know, like, or don't know the lyrics to, so we can practice it? What? Nauseous.
Yeah, I think nauseous. Yeah, okay.
We'll do nauseous.
My
Okay, fine. Gone now. You wonder if I ever noticed. Every message that you ever sent, yes, I can fuck you stupid. Let's do the Q&A. Alright, it's time for the Q&A portion of the night. I'm just going to pick people at random, and you guys will be able to ask your questions.